Finding the courage to change. 1 inch of joy. I have a tendency to be humor challenged. I'm always assuming that humor might really be a hidden attack. My defensiveness and wariness create a sense of isolation. How can I overcome my tendency to take myself so seriously? This quote from Francois Rabelais helps me find a way to lighten up. 1 inch of joy surmounts of grief a span, because to laugh is proper to a man. I can start with just 1 inch of joy. I can find a small reason to have fun and feel good. I've forgotten how to be playful. I've lost my innocent ability to see the joy of life. I've misplaced my natural lightheartedness. Part of my process of recovery is allowing myself to take breaks and have fun. It's remembering to relax and schedule in little breaks to get outside for a walk. It's taking time to read a book, even when I don't have time. It's about learning to tell jokes and to laugh at my own mistakes. When I allow myself to have that 1 inch of joy, then every other part of my life is better. I'm learning to allow my inner child to come out and play and have fun. When I allow more fun into my life, I'm better able to shift my focus away from my life challenges. With a focus on joy, more joyful things arrive at my door.